guys, welcome to our Algebra 2 video for week 4 of our online learning experience. We're going to be going back to some properties of exponents because we're going to get into the quadratic formula, but I want to go back through exponents and radicals this week with you. So a couple things to remember for the properties of exponents. When you are multiplying the bases, you're adding the exponents, okay? And when you are dividing the bases, you're subtracting the exponents, okay? So remember that here, we're focused on the properties of the exponents, so our bases are gonna stay the same, okay? So our base, remember, is that number that's being multiplied by itself, and that exponent tells us how many times that number is multiplying by itself, okay? So, let's begin. I had to move it so that you could see that top one, but when I lay it back, you can't really see it. But that just says multiply means add the exponents, okay? So number 1, 4 to the negative third power times 4 to the fifth power. So essentially, 4 is gonna remain our base, and our exponents are gonna be added because we're multiplying. So negative 3 plus 5, okay? So negative 3 plus 5 gives us 4 squared. Okay, so that's all your answer is, 4 squared. Okay, and if you want more details on why that works or how that works, you can watch your Khan Academy videos, or if you want to set up a Zoom chat with me, we can go into more detail about it. But for the purposes of our lesson today and the fact that I'm not there with you, I'm gonna keep it very basic on here, and I'm just gonna show you the what and not necessarily the why. Okay, that makes sense? But if you want more details or you're not sure how this works and you want to know why this works, we can definitely do that together. Today I'm just going to show you how it works and what to do, and then we'll go from there, okay? So over here, we're using a for our base instead of a number. Variables count or work the same way, so we have a to the fifth power times a to the negative third power. So again, we're multiplying our bases, so that means we're adding our exponents, okay? So 5 plus negative 3, so a is just going to stay a. 5 plus negative 3 is going to be 2. Right? So a squared is your answer. Okay? I'm going to, I lost my eraser. No. I'm going to erase this part because it kind of gets in the way of our problem here. So over here we have b to the negative 6 times b to the 11th. Okay? So our base stays the same, and it's going to be negative 6 plus 11. So our answer is going to be b to the fifth power, right? Because negative 6 plus 11 is the same as 11 minus 6. So b to the fifth power. Okay, now we're going to get into what you do when you're dividing the bases. You're just the same process, we're just subtracting our exponents instead of multiplying them, okay? So 5 to the 10th divided by 5 to the 12th. So that's going to give us 5 to the 10 minus 12, okay? Which is going to be 5 to the negative 2. Okay? Super simple. Down here, 5 to the negative 5th divided by 5 to the 8th. Okay, so this is going to be 5 to the negative 5 minus 8. Right? So negative minus a positive actually becomes plus a negative, right? Because if I'm already negative and I'm subtracting more, then I'm going to get more negative. So negative 5 plus negative 8 is going to give us 5 to the negative 13th. And that's how it works. That's our answer. Okay? Again, if you want more details about it, if we were in class, I would go through the whole process of how it works and why it works, but for the purposes of this, I think it's better we just keep it simple, okay? So here are your problems for your assignment. Okay, write that down, pause it here. Remember to complete those problems and either show me your completed assignment on Khan Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 a.m. or at noon, or you can take a picture of it and email it to me. You guys all know my email. Let me know if you have any other questions or if I can help you in any other way. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.